So in this business, you just never know where your next deal is gonna come from. So I'm leaving the gym and I'm passing this car and I see they've got this little sticker on the back. I sell real estate, what's your superpower? So obviously I want to connect with this person. I just checked my car and unfortunately the one time I don't have paper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be a little bit of a walk into each of these businesses. Maybe we'll start with Domino's or this realty company. Ask to borrow a piece of paper and leave this person a note. Shout out to Domino's Pizza. Sometimes guys, you gotta just ask for things. All right, so now I'm gonna leave a little note. Hey, my name is Mike Hill. I'm a local wholesaler in the area. I've been specializing in finding discounted properties in Florida for the past 11 years. I work with investors and realtors in the area and have an extensive network. Please shoot me a text, email, or call. Hopefully we can do some business together. My contact details. P.S. Great sticker, by the way. Arm day, so don't mind the handwriting, a little shaky. So now I'm gonna go put this on the car. And the point I'm making here is there are opportunities absolutely everywhere. You never know, you gotta go after everything, which is why I stress to my students so much this idea of focusing on your RAS, your reticular activating system, what you focus on, what you pay attention to. When you really hone this, opportunities will literally jump out at you. So I'll let you guys know if I hear from this person, all right? Have a great day, be productive, talk soon.